The Canova Suite, number 702, at Rocco Forte's Hotel de la Ville in Rome, looks right down the Spanish Steps. And look, I've got a marvelous, marvelous terrace. I could have a big party out here. There's even a Bordeaux burner to keep us all warm. And in fact, there's room to have a party inside too. I'm climbing in through the French windows, and look, the colouring. Oh, Olga Polizzi and her team do such an amazing job. And of course the hotel staff then do a pretty amazing job in filling every available space with little bits and pieces. And look at the beautiful calligraphy on that. Wow. So I'm going around the suite. I've got a Roman foot. I've got some very lovely little coffee cups to go with the Francis Illy machine. And I've got another cloudscape there, walking around. And here's the closet. Don't know what that noise was. Never mind, perhaps somebody falling down the steps. Now I'm going to do the bedroom last, because the bedroom is so divinely Roman. Bathrooms can't be Roman really, unless you have hot, cold, hot, cold. And since I seem to have had a lot of cold recently, I'm hoping this is not going to be another one, because I'm looking forward to a hot shower. And a heated towel rail, and the shower. Perhaps if I will the shower, pray to the gods, I can get some nice hot water. I'm sure I can. This is Rocco Forte after all. And now for the bedroom, which is very bravely Roman, with lots of universal thoughts in mind. Sockets from all over, and very definitely I've got USBs, and I've got PG Woodhouse to keep me company. There's a lovely degree of slight flippancy amongst many of the little bits and pieces in Rocco Forte hotels. I've got another cloudscape, and as I swing around, you'll see the colours, which are so Roman. The terracotta earth and the soft pine greens. This is Rocco Forte hotels in Rome, and even the bed linens. They may look white to you, but they're actually softest green.